How to change Temu checkout minimum. Let's get started. Whether you are a first-time user or a seasoned shopper, this guide is perfect for you. First, let's understand what the minimum checkout amount is and why you might want to change it on Temu. The minimum checkout amount is the smallest total cost approx you need in your cart before you can complete your purchase. Adjusting this setting can be useful for managing your budget or planning larger purchases. Unfortunately, Temu does not allow you to change the minimum checkout amount directly through the settings, but I will show you a few strategies to work around this. One effective method is to combine smaller items into a single order to meet the minimum requirement. Start by adding your desired items to your cart. Once you have selected an item, continue shopping where small add-ons are essential until you reach the minimum requirement. Another great tactic is to prepare your purchase in advance. Use a digital note or shopping app to list items you will eventually need and batch them into a single purchase. This way you can make sure you are always ready to meet the minimum checkout amount when you need to make a purchase. Use the wishlist feature while browsing. Add items you are interested in your wishlist. Once you have enough items to meet the minimum checkout requirement, move them from your wishlist to your cart and proceed to checkout. This helps you keep track of what you want to buy and makes it easy to reach the minimum amount. And that's it for today's guide on how to navigate the minimum checkout amount on Temu. By combining orders, pre-planning your shopping using the wishlist feature, you can make your shopping experience on Temu smoother and more efficient. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.